Hi home bakers! Today I'm in the kitchen making mint chocolate fudge.
Nothing beats the richness and simplicity of this quick and easy mint Christmas fudge. This fudge is silky smooth and delicately flavored with peppermint. This fudge only requires a handful of ingredients, is beginner friendly, and is perfect if you're looking to whip something up for your holiday guests.
This fudge is the perfect solution for last minute Christmas parties, school events, or filling your holiday cookie tins. This is the ultimate no-fail treat. You don't need a candy thermometer or special skills, just melt, mix, pour, and slice. This fudge always disappears fast.
So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make mint chocolate fudge.
To start this recipe, I'm going to line a square pan with parchment paper. I'm just going to lightly coat the inside with a little bit of butter, just to help the paper stick to the pan. This is going to allow the fudge to come out easily for perfectly sliceable, bite-sized squares. Now in a sauce pot over medium-low heat, stir and melt together 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk, 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and to flavor the fudge, add in 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a half teaspoon of salt. I'm also going to add in some unsweetened baker's chocolate. I'm just going to cut this into little pieces to help it melt quickly into the rest of the chocolate fudge mixture. The baker's chocolate is going to give it the deep, rich chocolate flavor without making the fudge overly sweet. Now all we need to do is stir this mixture over the heat until it becomes silky smooth. Now that all my fudge ingredients have melted together, I'm going to pour it into the lined pan. I'm just going to smooth out the top with the back of the spatula, and then before it starts to set, I'm going to add to the top some festive sprinkles. You could also use some crushed candy canes to garnish the top of your fudge, or leave it just like it is. If you've added festive decorations, give it a firm press into the top layer of the fudge to help it stick. Now I'm going to set it aside for a few hours until the fudge is firm enough to slice. You can also speed up this process by placing it in the fridge, but I prefer my fudge to still be on the softer side. So I'm just going to set it aside on the countertop and allow it to set on its own. Now that the fudge has set, I'm just going to pull on the corners of the parchment paper to remove it from the pan. And the fudge is ready to slice into bite-sized cubes. When it comes to quick and easy treats, this mint chocolate fudge is at the top of my list. It's rich, thick, and silky smooth. The perfect chocolate treat that requires minimal effort for maximum flavor. If you're a fan of peppermint desserts like me, this fudge is going to become a new holiday favorite. It's the perfect recipe for beginners and busy bakers. And it's the perfect recipe to make at Christmas when you're overrun by Christmas cookies.
And as always, you can find a link to the full written recipe in the description box below.
Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.